In this video, I'll guide you through how to join the GoDaddy affiliate program step by step so you know exactly what to expect and what to click on along the way. First, let's quickly talk about what the GoDaddy affiliate program actually is. As an affiliate, you can promote GoDaddy's products and services like domains and hosting using special tracking links. When someone uses your link to make a purchase, you can earn a commission. So the process we're about to walk through is all about getting you signed up so you can start generating those links. To get started, open your favorite web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or whatever you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in the URL for GoDaddy's affiliate programs page. That's godaddy.com/affiliate-programs with your regional code if needed. Press enter and wait for the page to load. Once the GoDaddy affiliate program page has fully loaded, take a moment to confirm that you're on the official GoDaddy website. You should see the GoDaddy branding at the top of the page, and somewhere on the screen you'll see information about becoming an affiliate, including a short description of how the program works and what you get out of it. It's a good idea to quickly scan this section so you have a rough understanding of the benefits, such as potential commission rates, promotional tools, and any basic requirements they mention. On this same page, look for the button that says Join Now. This is usually prominent and may stand out in a different color to catch your attention. When you found it, go ahead and click Join Now. This click is what starts the actual sign-up process for the affiliate program. After you click Join Now, you'll be taken to a sign-up or registration flow. From here, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These instructions may vary slightly over time as GoDaddy updates their system, but the general idea remains the same. Typically, you'll be asked to provide some basic information like your name, your email address, your website or primary promotion channel, and your country or region. You might also need to create or sign in to an existing GoDaddy or affiliate network account, depending on how their program is currently set up. If they use a third-party network for tracking, you may be redirected to that partner's sign-up page. In that case, simply continue following the instructions you see there. As you move through each page, pay close attention to any required fields that are marked with an asterisk. Make sure your details are accurate, especially contact information and payment details, so you can receive approvals and commissions without issues later on. You'll also be shown the program's terms and conditions. It's worth taking a moment to read through these so you understand the rules around promotion, acceptable traffic sources, and how payouts work. Once you've filled out the required information and agreed to the terms, submit your application. In many cases, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen and an email letting you know that your application has been received. Approval may be instant or might take a short review period. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or promotions folder for any follow-up messages. And that's it. You visited the GoDaddy affiliate page, clicked Join Now, and followed the on-screen instructions to complete your application. From here, once you're approved, you'll be able to log into your affiliate dashboard, grab your unique links, and start promoting GoDaddy products to earn commissions.